Hello everyone, my name is Suzanne and I'm a Qkids teacher and I have been for over 3 years. Today I want to talk about my favorite props and how I use them to take a good lesson and make it into a great lesson. My favorite props are maps. I have 2 maps that I use. I have a United States map and I have a world map. And actually, one of the great things about Qkids is you really don't need a lot of props. But a few carefully chosen props can help take your lesson to the next level and really enhance student understanding. I use these in multiple ways. I can use them with the beginning level kids, the intermediates, and the upper level kids. So I've been incorporating maps pretty much since the beginning of my time teaching 3 years ago. And when I started, I thought I could only kind of use these maps and work with the intermediate to the upper level kids. But as I've kind of worked with it, I've discovered I really can use it with the beginners too. Level 1 maybe is a little pushing it, but I can use them with level 2 and up. So let's talk about how we can use these maps in the beginning levels. So in every class, beginner through advanced, I will get to know them a little bit by saying, oh, hi, where do you live? And for the very beginning levels, they don't understand the question, where do you live? So I will say, where do you live? Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou. I throw out some names and they get the idea. I think I'm hearing some cities. So they can often just say, Beijing. And so I will type in a text box on the screen, I live in Beijing. And I will lead them to say that. And in that way, they can start to practice a new phrase for them. And then I can say, okay, look, I live in America. And I will point to America. They often at level 2 or 3 don't know the word America. They know Megwo, which is Mandarin for America. And so I will say, America, America. And they will I'll ask them to repeat. So then I can pull my world map out and say, look, I live here. I live here. And here is China. And I can also teach them the word China because they know it as 中国. So I can get them to say China. I live in China. So this is how I start with the beginners. Pretty basic.